Embarking on a journey to financial freedom has never been more exciting than in the realm of artificial intelligence. In today's discourse, we unveil the potential of 10 easy AI side hustles that not only harness the power of technology, but also have the capacity to generate a passive income of 100K. AI managed real estate investments. Explore the lucrative world of real estate with AI-driven investment strategies. Algorithms can analyze market trends, predict property values, and optimize your real estate portfolio. Whether through real estate crowdfunding or direct investments, AI can help you build a passive income stream in the realm of property. AI-enhanced online courses. Share your expertise with the world through AI-enhanced online courses. Develop courses with personalized learning experiences using AI algorithms. As students enroll and engage, your courses become a source of passive income. The scalability of online education paired with AI's adaptability ensures a steady stream of revenue. AI-enabled stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, leverage AI to enhance and categorize your image library. AI algorithms can identify market trends and suggest keywords, making your stock photos more discoverable. Monetize your images through stock photo platforms, creating a passive income stream from your creative pursuits. AI-driven affiliate marketing. Elevate your affiliate marketing game with AI. Utilize machine learning algorithms to analyze consumer behavior and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. By automating the optimization of your affiliate links, you can create a hands-free income stream that grows as your audience expands. AI-generated art and design. Unleash your creativity with AI-generated art and design. Utilize algorithms that can produce unique pieces of art or assist in graphic design tasks. Sell your creations on digital marketplaces or collaborate with print-on-demand services, turning your artistic endeavors into a passive income source. Chatbot development for businesses. Enter the realm of conversational AI by creating chatbots for businesses. As businesses increasingly rely on chatbots for customer interactions, your services can become a sought-after commodity. Develop customized chatbots that streamline customer support and watch your passive income. Automated social media marketing. Navigate the digital landscape effortlessly with AI-powered social media marketing. From scheduling posts to analyzing engagement data, let AI handle the intricacies. Monetize your social media presence through affiliate marketing or sponsored content, transforming your online activity into a passive income generator. AI-enhanced e-commerce ventures. Boost your passive income through AI-enhanced e-commerce. Utilize AI to analyze customer behavior, optimize pricing, and personalize recommendations. Whether you run an online store or leverage dropshipping, AI can enhance efficiency and profitability, creating a steady income stream. Stock market predictions with AI. Delve into the world of finance by utilizing AI to analyze stock market trends. With predictive analytics, you can make informed investment decisions. Automate your stock portfolio management, allowing your money to work for you. AI-powered content creation. Imagine having an AI assistant tirelessly creating engaging content for you. AI algorithms can analyze trends, curate information, and generate articles or social media posts, saving you time and effort. By monetizing this content through platforms like blogs or social media, you can establish a passive income stream. This foundational AI side hustle sets the stage for a future where technology effortlessly complements your journey to financial prosperity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to 10 easy AI side hustles that could pave the way to a passive income of 100K. If you found these insights valuable and want more in-depth tips on achieving financial freedom through innovative ventures, hit that subscribe button. Join us on this journey towards financial independence. Until next time, Keep exploring the possibilities and let your passive income dreams come to life.